Unlock your EU career with international education. Latvia offers professionals affordable studies and a direct path to European work permits. Studying in Latvia is a smart career move, combining affordability with direct access to EU job markets for professionals. Latvia hosts respected universities like Riga Technical University, attracting international students and offering modern facilities. Professionals can pursue master's and PhD programs tailored to business, IT, engineering, and management fields. Latvia's tuition and living costs are among the lowest in Europe, making it attainable for ambitious professionals. Universities offer career support, connecting graduates to internships and entry-level positions in top Latvian companies. After graduation, you can apply for a post-study work visa in Latvia. The process is straightforward and well-supported. The Latvian post-study work visa typically lasts up to 12 months, allowing you to seek skilled employment after your degree. Key requirements include proof of graduation, job search activity, and sufficient funds for living expenses in Latvia. Once you secure employment, your new employer will often help sponsor your long-term work or residence permit. Latvia's IT sector actively hires international graduates. Roles range from software engineering to digital project management. Major industries like logistics and supply chain management are rapidly expanding, offering career entry points for skilled graduates. Business services and engineering sectors are highly international, welcoming professionals with technical or management backgrounds. The post-study work permit can lead to Latvian permanent residency, opening doors to the broader EU job market. Latvia is more than a degree. It's your gateway to a lasting EU career journey. Follow for more student-to-work tips.